Good afternoon, all of my dear students. Today we are going to read our grammar portion, and we have completed our literature part in chapter 3. And it is the time when we have to do the grammar portion. In your book, there is a tense. Tense is given in the grammar portion. So before starting the tense from your book, I'll just like to give some information about it, and tomorrow we will be starting tense from the English book itself. Now, before giving all this information that is on the screen, I'd like to tell all of you that, dear student, you are disappointing all of us because you are not interacting properly. You are ignoring the online classes. Please don't do that. There is a plenty of time. Don't waste it. Be active and do all the activities that your concerned teacher gives you, because it is clearly mentioned before and it is clearly declared before that all those works should be maintained properly in a note copy, so that it will be checked strictly after the school reopens. At that time there will be no any excuses, and the most important thing is that I don't find any activities you are doing and you are not submitting the homeworks. It means you are wasting your time, precious time. Don't do that, dear student. As I have told you before also, an empty mind is the devil's workshop. खाली दिमाग एक शैतान का काम करने का जगह होता है. So be careful, keep it in mind. Be the student. Show your identification and do all the work that the student have to do. Now today let us go through the tenses. Some information I will give you. Tenses. We have been reading tenses from the junior classes also. It means kal, samay. And tenses can be divided into three parts, that is past tense, present tense and future tense. Let us further go through what is written here. Tenses. In English language, tense plays an important role in sentence formation. Tense of a statement shows the time of action, its degree of completeness. Now, tenses, it is a very important part of English grammar, and it helps to form the sentences, to make the sensible sentences. The tenses should be written very correctly in the sentences, otherwise the listener or the sentence will not show the clear directions. So let us say tenses of a statement shows the time of an action. Action कब हुआ था वो इंडिकेट करता है. द डिग्री ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स, कंप्लीट होने में समय अथवा किस तरीके से हुआ है, दिस ऑल शोज टेंसेस में ये सब इंडिकेट होता है. सो इट इज़ बेटर टू बी वेरी सीरियस over tenses. Now the verb may describe verb, and tenses में the most important thing, tense means it's a verb का tense, verb का formation, it is all the conjugation कहता है इसको. So the verb may describe, number one, that an action is done at the present time, as I think about you. Now see, I think about you. I is subject there, I is pronoun, about is preposition, you is pronoun over there. Think over here, it is the action, सोचने का काम, think, and that is in present tense. There is no thought अथवा थिंग्स अथवा थिंक, इट इज इन प्रेजेंट एक्शन, present time. So I think about you. So a sentence is complete with the parts of speech. We have learned that. And the parts of speech should be arranged systematically, properly. So the whatever you have written gives out the clear meaning, sensible meaning. Now number 2, that an action is done in the past time, as I thought about you. पास्ट दैट मीन्स गुजरा हुआ समय जो बीत चुका है, दैट डिनोट्स पास्ट टाइम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई थॉट अबाउट यू. थिंक, थॉट, थिंक प्रेजेंट टेंस, थॉट पास्ट टेंस, वही थिंक का कंजुगेशन है ये. सो दैट इज पास्ट टेंस. दैट एन एक्शन विल बी डन इन फ्यूचर टाइम, एज आई शैल थिंक अबाउट यू. Shall and will is used in future tense. Shall and will with the first form of verb, with the simple present tense verb. Simple present tense का verb first form होना चाहिए और shall और will use करना है future tense में. These are all about the present, past and future tense. The conjugation of think is given, all the proper way of writing it in different tenses. Now let us go to another part. Thus a verb is a key factor to recognize tense. A verb has 3 times or 3 tenses: the present tense, the past tense and the future tense. So हम लोग noun pronoun verb हम लोग parts of speech पढ़े हैं. So verb, it is a very important in tense. टेंस को रिकॉग्नाइज करना ही verb टेंस को रिकॉग्नाइज करने का काम करता है. टेंस कौन सा टेंस में है, प्रेजेंट में है, पास्ट में है या फ्यूचर में है, हम लोग verb देखकर we can recognize the tenses. So we must know the verb very carefully. We must know each and everything about verb. So a verb has 3 times or 3 tenses, that is the present tense, past tense and the future tense. Tense means verb, it is the conjugation of verb. Tense means the conjugation of verb. Now यहाँ पे हिंदी पे भी दिया गया है, आप लोग कर पढ़ सकते हैं. कार्य वर्तमान काल में संपन्न हुआ है, जैसे मैं तुम्हारे बारे में सोचता हूँ. कार्य भूतकाल में संपन्न हुआ है, जैसे मैंने तुम्हारे बारे में सोचा. कार्य भविष्य काल में संपन्न हुआ है, जैसे मैं तुम्हारे बारे में सोचूंगा. दिस आर ऑल द conjugation of the verb. Now let us move another. You can study through Hindi also. Now as per state of an action, each verb, in bracket verb, each tenses are divided into 4 parts. अब एक्शन को मद्देनज़र रखते हुए verb का 4 पार्ट्स में हम लोग ले सकते हैं. 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड हुआ है, जैसे इंडेफिनेट सिंपल टेंस, कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस, परफेक्ट टेंस एंड परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. हम लोग प्रेजेंट टेंस में भी ये 4 पार्ट्स पढ़ना पड़ता है, पास्ट टेंस में भी ये 4 पार्ट्स, फ्यूचर टेंस में भी ये 4 parts. So let us go through it again. Today it is only the short information. Tomorrow we will go step by step. Simple present tense, then after that simple past tense, then after that future tense. Now number 1, indefinite अथवा simple tense, which denotes its simplest form as I think, I thought, I shall think. Simplest form. Think, thought, think. Now number 2, continuous tense, which denotes that, for example, I think it is present, simple present. I thought it is simple past tense. I shall think it is simple future tense. Confusion मत होना. ये सब think, thought, जो shall think है, ये डिफरेंट 4 ग्रुप्स में डिवाइडेड हुआ है. सॉरी, इन सिंपल प्रेजेंट, इन सिंपल टेंस में जो हम लोग प्रेजेंट टेंस का पार्ट है उसका उसमें डिवाइड किया गया हुआ है. कंटिन्यूस टेंस which denotes that the event is still continuing or not completed so far. As I am thinking, I was thinking, I shall be thinking. अब कंटिन्यूस टेंस का मतलब ये है कि काम पूरा ना होना अथवा वो काम निरंतर चल रहा है जब इन द टाइम ऑफ स्पीकिंग. नाउ for example, I am thinking, I was thinking, I shall be thinking. I am thinking present continuous tense, I was thinking past continuous tense, I shall be thinking future continuous tense. Now let us see perfect tense, which denotes that the event is in a complete or a perfect state. As I have thought, I had thought, I shall have thought. Now ये perfect tense क्या बताता है कि the work is completed or the event is completed or it is in the state of completeness, perfect completeness. Now I have thought, it is simple present perfect tense. I had thought, past perfect tense. I shall have thought, ये future perfect tense. Now let us move to another part, perfect continuous tense, which denotes a time since when the event is continuing. As I have been thinking since morning, I had been thinking since morning, I shall have been thinking since morning. Perfect continuous tense यही बताता है कि the time when I started and still continuing it, that it denotes जब मैंने शुरू किया था और अभी वो चालू में है. It shows that. As I have been thinking, present perfect continuous tense. I had been thinking, past perfect continuous tense. I shall have been thinking since morning. ये क्या है? Future perfect continuous tense. Now यहाँ पे हिंदी में भी दिया गया है. You can read it. Now let us move. These are all you can read. हिंदी में दिया है सब. Indefinite, continuous tense, perfect tense, you can see. Now each type of tenses has the following 4 types of sentences: positive sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence and interrogative and negative sentences. ये जो भी हम लोग टेंस का सेंटेंसेस होता है, टेंस का जो सेंटेंस फॉर्म होता है भाव का, वो पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस हो सकता है, स्टेटमेंट, पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट सेंटेंस, नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट, इंटरोगेटिव क्वेश्चन इन सेंटेंस, क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस एंड नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. ये हम लोग ये फॉर्म में हम लोगों को डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंस हम लोगों को मिल सकता है. There are 3 forms of verb. Different form of verb and different rules are used for making all types of sentences in each tense. There are 3 form of verb. Different form of verb and different rules are used for making all types of sentences in each tense. Tense में verb का main role होता है 3 forms: present, past and future, and it is conjugated. For example, present, past, फ्यूचर, P1, B2, B3, B4, B5 ऐसे करके हम लोग कॉन्जुगेट कर सकते हैं. verb has a very important role in tense. Without verb we cannot imagine tense. In another word, simply we can say that tense means it is a conjugation of verb. So dear student, revise this and try to make notes on the tenses, so that if I start tomorrow the tense from your English book in grammar, from Grammar Portion, then it will be easy for you to understand. And this was the class today. And before stopping my class, I'll just like to once again request all of you to react properly towards your online classes. It is only for you. It is for the goodness of you. Don't ignore it, because students have a certain condition. Students have a certain terms and condition that they should follow, they should complete it. The foremost thing is that study. So dear student, don't ignore your study time. Make a timetable and use the correct systematic way to upgrade yourself, so that when school reopens you may not get trouble, because as you have already informed, there will be no excuses. Your copy will be checked strictly. At that time you may have trouble. So dear student, keep it in mind. You have a plenty of time. Don't waste it. Utilize it in a proper way. Now, till the next class, have a nice time. Have a nice evening. Thank you.